Welcome back. Well, an overcast day and now getting cooler, and that's going to be the trend through the next 36 hours. We warm back up for the weekend, but in between, we expect a pretty good round of rain and maybe some embedded thunder going into tomorrow night and through early Friday. So let's take a look at the big picture here as we look at that water vapor imagery and put it in motion. And again, we see two different jet streams. One is the subtropical jet. The other one is the polar jet stream. And that polar jet, that's where the cold air is. And you can make the argument that this one right here is dipping into the polar jet. It's got a lot of cold air with it coming out of Alaska, and this is going to be a big storm in the Pac Northwest. But the next weather maker for us is an upper level low that's over here by Arizona. That's going to energize the subtropical jet stream and bring rain knocking at our door. Probably by this time tomorrow afternoon, rain chances really perking up as we head into the overnight hours for tomorrow night. Big picture across the U.S. The frontal boundary that pushed through here this afternoon connects to an area of low pressure all the way up in Canada. Some snow behind that system, but now quieter across much of the U.S. Still some wind now coming around out of the south where we're having the big fires across the Texas-Oklahoma panhandle area. And then back to the west, winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings in pink and blizzard warnings. As we've been indicating, parts of the Sierra Nevada are going to see 5 to 10 feet of snow above 5,000 feet. And that's pretty low level, and even 1 to 4 feet between 3,000 and 5,000 feet. So that's going to be a bodacious system. Meanwhile, here locally, we do see some rain across Texas. That's in response to that lead disturbance that's off to the west of us. But that'll be another 24 hours before we see activity developing over our region. Plus, we're going to be watching maybe for the genesis of a weak area of low pressure in the Gulf. As we look at the region, some light precipitation in the northern part of the state through the Arklatex, eastern Texas, and we move into Acadiana. Most of the rains are just about done with. We see that front pushing on through the area during the course of this afternoon. Now through eastern St. Mary Parish and the last vestiges of precipitation right by the Amelia area, Lake Palourde. As you go farther south and east, activity down through the Atchafalaya. So overall, we're done with the precip. Cloudy skies though stay. It stays breezy, gets much cooler, lower 50s overnight tonight, and there's going to be a wind chill. Our software doesn't calculate wind chill below 51 degrees, but it's going to feel like it's in the mid 40s. It calculates that wind chill once we go below 50. So the wind chill is going to stay the same overall, but it's going to feel cooler than the 50s that we're going to have all day tomorrow because it's going to stay breezy. East northeasterly winds, maybe a sprinkle or two, and then going into tomorrow night, Friday, I think we're going to see a little bit more widespread activity than what the graph model is doing. We showed you the HER model earlier. That looks a little bit more aggressive on the rainfall, and we'll show you those rain totals in just a bit. But the bottom line, rain tomorrow night, showers, maybe some embedded thunder, no severe weather, no flooding expected, and the activity should move out in time for Friday evening, so we look good there, and not looking too bad as we head into the weekend. Let's bring in the Euro model real quick here. We'll show you a good-looking Saturday. Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. Sunday, the clouds will be on the increase. Low-end rain chance at about 10 to 20%. And then the next weather maker still on track, but we don't have the timing down quite yet. Sometime late Monday into Tuesday, showers and storms, and there could be some hefty rains, maybe a low-end severe weather threat. We'll have to wait and see. As for rainfall, with the rain that's coming in tomorrow night through Friday morning, an inch or two possible, inch and a half. Lesser amounts off to the north, a lot less, and higher amounts as you go farther south and east. And we'll watch the trends on that rainfall and have an update coming to you as soon as they become available. We get another one for sure tonight at 10. Upper 40s, lower 50s for tonight through tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow we barely reach 60. It's not going to feel it. It's going to feel like it's in the 50s all day long, and it stays cool until we get to the weekend. So 51, the overnight low tonight. The wind chimes will be going with that breeze out of the northeast at about 10 to 15, occasionally gusting to 20, just mainly during the evening hours. Then tomorrow, staying breezy and cool. Temperatures topping out upper 50s to near 60. So a reminder, it's still February and the last day of the month for sure. Your leap day, and then going into tomorrow night, showers becoming likely after midnight, especially temperatures in the lower 50s. So plan on that rain for sure. We're going to get a nice little soaking, and we do need it. It's been awfully dry since the beginning of February, so the rains end early Friday. Maybe a little sun by Friday afternoon. Saturday looks good. Sunday a little cloudy, but not a bad weekend considering the forecast for Monday and Tuesday of next week. That's it for weather. Now more coming up.